Welcome to our video on the top 5 best adjustable laptop stands for your desk. Whether you're working from home or just looking for a more ergonomic setup, a laptop stand can make a huge difference in your comfort and productivity. In this video, we'll be showcasing the best adjustable laptop stands on the market, highlighting their features and benefits, and helping you find the perfect stand for your needs. So let's get started with our list of the top 5 best adjustable laptop stands for your desk. Number 5. New Alizon Pro 360 Adjustable Laptop Stand. The new Alizon Pro 360 Rotating Adjustable Laptop Stand is a great addition to any home office setup. The stand's 360-degree rotating design allows for easy switching between portrait and landscape mode, making it ideal for presentations and video conferencing. The stand's height is fully adjustable, allowing users to find the perfect angle for typing and viewing. The stand is made of high-quality aluminum and has a non-slip surface, ensuring that laptops are securely in place. Additionally, the stand features a built-in cooling fan to help keep laptops cool during extended use. Overall, users are highly satisfied with the new Alizon Pro 360 Rotating Adjustable Laptop Stand's functionality and design. It is a great value for the price and greatly improves the work experience. It is highly recommended for anyone looking for a durable and versatile laptop stand. Do not hesitate to click on the link given in the description of the video for more details. Up next, Number 4. Obvus Solutions Adjustable Laptop Stand. The Obvus Solutions Minor 2.0 Height Adjustable Laptop Stand is a highly functional and well-designed product. One of its standout features is its adjustable height, which allows it to fit any user and accommodate any type of desk or workspace. This feature is particularly useful for those who frequently switch between sitting and standing while working. The stand is also incredibly sturdy and well-built, made of high-quality materials and with a solid, durable design. It has been designed to last, and users have not had any issues with stability or wobbling even after several weeks of usage. Another great feature is the built-in cable management system, which keeps cables organized and out of the way. This small but important feature greatly improves overall workspace organization. In conclusion, the Obvus Solutions Minor 2.0 Height Adjustable Laptop Stand is a highly recommendable product for anyone looking for a high-quality, adjustable stand. It improves ergonomics and productivity, and users are pleased with their purchase. Do not hesitate to click on the link given in the description of the video for more details. Up next, Number 3. Lanicol Height Adjustable Laptop Stand. The Lanicol Height Adjustable 360 Rotating Laptop Stand is a versatile and ergonomic solution for elevating laptops. The stand is made of high-quality aluminum, giving it a sleek and modern appearance that complements any workspace. One of the standout features of this stand is its height adjustability. Users are able to adjust the height from 4 inches to 18 inches, allowing them to find the perfect angle and position for their laptop, which improves posture and reduces the strain on the neck and shoulders. The stand also has a 360-degree rotation feature, which allows users to easily switch between portrait and landscape orientations. This is especially useful for video conferencing and editing videos. The stand has a sturdy base and non-slip pads, ensuring that laptops stay securely in place. It is also lightweight and easy to carry, making it great for those who frequently work on the go. Overall, the Lanicol Height Adjustable 360 Rotating Laptop Stand is a great option for anyone looking for a versatile and ergonomic way to elevate their laptop. It has been praised for greatly improving the user's work experience. Do not hesitate to click on the link given in the description of the video for more details. Up next, Number 2. Townie S7 X Pro 306 Adjustable Laptop Stand. The Townie S7 X Pro 306 Adjustable Laptop Stand is a great addition to any desk setup. It is easy to adjust, allowing users to find the perfect angle and height for their laptop. The stand also features a 360 rotation, making it easy to switch between portrait and landscape mode. One of the stand's standout features is its ergonomic design. It is designed to help reduce strain on the neck, shoulders, and back, which can be a problem when using laptops for extended periods of time. The stand also has a built-in cooling fan to prevent overheating. The stand is built with a solid metal frame that can support laptops of various sizes and weights. The non-slip bottom keeps the stand in place on the desk, preventing it from sliding around. Overall, the Townie S7 X Pro 306 Adjustable Laptop Stand is a great investment for anyone who uses a laptop for extended periods of time. It helps to work more comfortably and efficiently and is highly recommended. Do not hesitate to click on the link given in the description of the video for more details. Up next, Number 1. Lanicol L9 US Portable Laptop Stand. The Lanicol L9 US adjustable portable laptop stand is a great option for those looking for a comfortable and ergonomic way to use their laptop. Made of high-quality aluminum alloy, the stand has a sleek and modern design. One of the best features of the stand is its adjustability. It can be easily adjusted to different angles and heights, allowing for comfortable viewing and typing positions. This helps to improve posture and reduce strain on the neck and back while using the laptop for long periods of time. The stand is also very portable and lightweight, making it easy to take on the go. It can be used at home, in the office, and even while traveling. The stand has a non-slip design, ensuring that the laptop stays securely and in place while in use. It also has built-in cooling vents that help to keep the laptop cool and prevent overheating. Overall, the Lanicol LN US adjustable portable laptop stand is a high-quality, functional, and stylish accessory that is recommended for anyone in need of a comfortable and ergonomic way to use their laptop. Do not hesitate to click on the link given in the description of the video for more details. Thanks for watching our video on the top 5 best adjustable laptop stands for your desk. We hope you found it helpful in finding the perfect stand for your needs. Remember, investing in a good laptop stand can improve your posture, reduce neck and eye strain, and increase your overall comfort and productivity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Leave a comment below with your favorite laptop stand from the list. Thanks again for watching.